Hello, this is Regina Kachkoff-Enk bringing you another explanatory video. This is for Excel Project 5B. For this project, our clients Fred and Alicia Ring of Ring Family Farm need to better organize their expenses. The spreadsheet came pre-filled with the data in the expenditures worksheet. The first thing that I did, however, was to create a documentation page. Here I titled it with the name of the company. Then I put in my information as the creator, then I put in the date and the purpose. Then I went to the expenditures sheet and I created from the expenditures a table by going to Insert and Table. So now everything can be sorted with the click of a button. From here I copied the table into a new sheet and named it Q5. Here I sorted the information by going right here, custom sort, and I sorted it first by category, then by payee, then by date paid, and here you have it newest to oldest. Then I again went ahead and copied the table to Q6. In Q6 I filtered the checkbook to display all of the expenditures for equipment repairs in December, and then I sorted by amount, smallest to largest. I did the same thing again and created Q7, and I filtered to display all of the checks that included the word vet. So these are all of the expenses that went to the vet. Then in Q8, which I created in the same manner, I used conditional formatting to highlight all of the expenses that are still outstanding. And as you can see, they relate to the word yes, and they're highlighted in yellow background with a dark yellow font. Then by same means, I went ahead and created excuse me, worksheet Q9. And here I added a subtotal for each category, and as you can see, we've got an administration total, equipment total, and so on and so forth. And then all the way at the bottom, we have a grand total as well. The next thing that we did was to go ahead and create a pivot table and a pivot chart. And we named this page Q10 and 11. We created this by going back to the expenditures page and going to Insert, and right here, Pivot Table. So from there, let's go back to here. So here we have the pivot table, and it is basically a summary of a lot of the data that we had in the beginning. We extrapolated only what we needed, and here we have it by category, by the month that the expenditure was paid, and the sum amount of the expenditure. And I also added totals for each section. Then I went ahead and I formatted this in a manner that I liked. I also chose a layout that was appealing to me. And beyond that, I went ahead and created a pivot chart, which is really just a visual representation of the pivot table. Lastly, we summarized even further by creating a pivot table of just the categories, the total amounts that were paid, and the percentage of the total in respect to the grand total being 100%. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.